Welcome to PUC second year student. Today let us study the chapter number 3, that is production and costs. In production and costs, today let us study the very important syllabus. It is for a long question and more marks for 6 marks or 5 marks question, and we have to solve this problem. The problem is that the following table give the TP schedule of labor and find the corresponding average product. Average product means it is AP, and marginal product MP. You have to find out the average product and the marginal product, and the question is given, means the total product of labor and factors of production L is given. The L and total product of labor is given. The data is the total product of labor is 0, 1, 35, 50, 40, 48, and L is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The data is given. You have to find out the or calculate the average product and the marginal product. Average product and the marginal product. The total product of labor is 0 when L is 0. When L is 1, the total product of labor is 1, and L is 2, the factors of production is 2, the total product of labor is 35, and L is 3 and TPL is 50, L is 4 and the total product of labor is 40, and L is 5 and TPL is 48, or total product of labor is 48. The question is like this: you have to find out the average product or APL, average product of labor, and MPL, marginal product of labor. You have to solve this problem with solution. The solution is like this. There is a solution, SOLUTION. Solution is, you keep as it is. L means it is L. I written in a color L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write the L as it is, L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is like this. It is as it is, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, L. And TPL also, total product of labor, is also given in this chart, 0, 1, 35, 50, 40, 48. TPL also given 0, 1, 35, 50, 40, 48. You write same as that TPL. And you have to find out only APL and MPL. How to find out APL? The labor is 0, total product of labor is 0, and average product of labor is 0, and marginal product of labor is 0. When increase the labor and it total product is 1, total product of labor is 1, and the average product of labor is 1, and marginal product of labor is 1. And second, they increase the labor and the total product of labor is 35. Average product of total product of labor is 35, and we have to find out the APL. APL, how to find out the APL? The TPL divided by 2. How to APL find out? How to find out the APL? You take the calculator or mobile cell phone and calculate according to my suggestion. The how to find out the APL? The 35 divided by 2. The 35 divided by 2, when we will find the APL? 35 divided by L, 35 divided by 2 is the 17.5. The APL is 17.5. Calculate please. 35 divided by 2 is, the APL is 17.5, and marginal product is also 35, and the labor is 3, the total product of labor is 50, and we have to find out the APL. How to find out the APL? The 50 divided by 3. The 50 divided by 3 is equal to 16.6. 16.6. Is it? 50 divided by 3 is equal to 16.6. And how to find out the MPL? The MPL is an extra production or marginal production, MP marginal production of labor. How much increase? 35 to 50. It is the difference between the TPL. 35 to 50, how much increase? Or you subtract from 50 minus 35. 50 minus 35 is equal to 15. 15 is the marginal product of labor. And there is a 4 labor and 40 total product of labor is given, and you have to find out the APL. How much the 10? How the 10 will be? The 10 will be the 40 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. And how much it increase? 50 to 40. What is the difference between 40 to 50? Is 10. Or 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. That is, the 10 is the marginal product of labor. And last, the L is 5 and the TPL is 48. You have to find out the APL. APL, the 48 divided by 5. The 48 divided by 5 is equal to 9.6. 9.6. It is the APL, average product of labor is 9.6. And to find out the marginal product of labor. And what is the difference between total product of labor? 40 to 48. How much difference is? Only 8. Or 48 minus 40 is equal to 8. It is the MPL. The how you can find out the APL and MPL? You can find out the APL. There is one formula is there. The APL is equal to TPL divided by L. APL is equal to TPL divided by L. This is the formula. And how to find out the MPL? The MPL is equal to TPL minus TPL minus 1. In this minus, you have to find out like this. This is the two factors are given, only the labor and the total product of labor is given, and we have to find out the APL and MPL. You have to according to this method. So you have to learn how to find out the APL and how to find out the MPL. The question is that the question will be arise like this. You have to solve this problem like this. The only two charts are given in the question, and you have to find out the APL and MPL. There will be 4 columns. As it is, L is common and TPL is common. You have to only 2 columns, TP, APL and MPL. So you have to remember how to solve the problem and how to find out the original product of labor and how to find out the marginal product of labor. Keep remember, don't forget till long time and till complete of the examinations. So I request you all the subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.